Hey, AJ Hartley here, novelist, Shakespeare professor, fan of lots of stuff. And I don't have a lot of time to do this because I'm on my way to Dragon Con, but a friend of mine has alerted me to an immediate problem, and so we're trying to raise some money. My friend is brilliant Mako Bailey, who I've known for like 8 years. I met him when I was in South Africa researching the Steeplejack books. And since then, when we stayed in touch, he was the game ranger where was staying. But we stayed in touch, and he has occasionally sort of raised my awareness of projects that needed some support in his immediate area. He lives near the Manuletti Game Reserve, and we have, found over the years we've raised money to completely demolish and rebuild a kind of a kindergarten. We've worked on individual houses. We've raised money for schools there and in Mozambique, which is fairly close by. And right now we have a situation where there's a family, Lodrick and Nwankosi, who have 5 kids. The youngest is 2 years old. And they are living, as you can see, in basically one room and then a sort of courtyard area that has no roof. And no facilities of any kind. We got bad weather coming in the next few months, and people shouldn't live like this, I don't care about your politics. I don't care about how you think these kind of problems should be solved globally long term. Clearly, what I'm trying to do here is not a universal fix of any kind. It's an attempt to make the lives of one particular family a little bit better, actually a lot better. And it's something that we can do relatively cheaply. We were only looking to raise about $4,000. And what we're going to do is demolish part of that external area and build 2 new rooms. So this is not like some lavish palatial estate that we're looking to construct. We're looking to just create something better than what they currently have. And so I am asking for your support. I'm doing this through Indiegogo, which I've used before, and you can donate any amount. The money will come to my account. I will wire it to Brilliant in South Africa, and he will look after all the actual construction. The local people will do the building themselves. So the only thing we're paying for is materials, which, unlike going through a big registered charity where there are people who have to be paid and various other ways that money gets sort of diverted into different things. This is an immediate and direct way for your money to have a specific result. As the work is done, Brilliant will send me photos and videos and stuff which will be circulated to the people who have donated. And as I say, we're only talking about $4,000. So in the grand scheme of things, it's a pretty small amount to radically improve the lives of real people. If you can't afford it, you can't afford it. I understand that, times are hard for a lot of people right now, though, most of us are not living in these kind of conditions. So, we might want to bear that in mind. But if you can't afford it, that's fine. Don't feel obligated to give money if you don't have any to spare. If you don't have money and you want to support the campaign, share this video and the link to the Indiegogo site, which is in the description. You click on that and it'll take you directly to it, and you can donate money safely. The security precautions are really good. I've used this before, and hopefully, I'm looking to do this within the next 40 days. So hopefully we'll be able to get construction going quickly before the weather gets bad in November, December, and hopefully we'll have good things to report soon. Thank you in advance for anything that you can give. I appreciate your time and attention, and that's all. Thanks very much.